What's up, guys?
Words. Volume. 9, 9, 80, 80,
Today,
6, 50, 40, 40, 30, 30,
well,
20, 50, 10, 5%.
well, tonight mainly, we're gonna go over a sound library pack that just got released today.
Fake Reason Compact. Page 3 of DJBSPM. GarageBand. Landscape. Home button to the left. GarageBand. My songs. My song. Select track. New. Sound library.
Here's the sound library. Uh,
New. Button. Home.
hold on a
Garage.
second.
Possible text. TV. FaceTime. Page 3 of 4. Home. MP Music Center. MP Jet Audio. GarageBand.
Here's the sound library right here.
My select track. New. Sound library. Button. Manage pack. Skyline Heat. Bass Amp Boutique. No.
This sound pack is called Bass Amp Boutique.
Download it. C039642C8260.
Let's see if we could preview it, because I couldn't preview it earlier today.
C03.
Looks like it's not previewing because it's a bass amp boutique. Like, it has more bass amplifiers in the amp when you hook up your bass guitar, and that's what it says on the description. So it's like a amp for bass guitars, maybe. That's the way I put it. So that's the new sound library pack. I hope you